order to make a scrunchie today. We are using this cute little Mickey fabric, a fat quarter fabric. I found it at Walmart for like $1.97. So this is what we're gonna start with. All right, let's get started. So I cut my fabric. It is 18 inches long and 4 inches wide, and we're going to fold it in on itself. So basically we'll be stitching from the back. So let's get that started. And you will also need some elastic. I found some elastic at Walmart, of course, too. It was like 97 cents. This is the elastic I found. It is 3/8 knit non-roll elastic. It comes 2 yards. So hopefully it'll stand strong for my daughter's thick hair. She wanted some scrunchies. She picked out this fabric. She's into scrunchies now, for all her beautiful hair. So I'll show you guys the next step. So now that I have the fabric folded in on itself, I'm going to start stitching just a straight line down the. So now I have my fabric all stitched and ready to go. I did leave a small opening so that I can insert the elastic, and your elastic is gonna have to be well, however, I mean, I'm gonna do about 8 inches unstretched, so I'm gonna cut that at about 8 inches, and then I'm going to make sure I turn this inside out, insert my elastic, and we'll go from there. I also left a little piece on the end here as well, you know, to get this done. So I'll be back. So now all that we're gonna do after I turned it inside out, this is the little end I left open, and of course I left this other end open. Then you can close it by hand with like a ladder stitch, but first I'm just gonna insert this. This was cut at, don't mind this pink paint or whatever, my daughters are always playing on my table. But anyways, I'm gonna insert this, and then we're gonna stitch this closed and continue on with our project. So now that I have my elastic through the fabric, I am now going to just stitch maybe a zigzag stitch to keep it all closed nice and secure, and I'll turn it to zigzag here and just zigzag stitch this closed. So as you can see, I have a zigzag stitch on there, and now I am just gonna close up all these little gaps, and I made my first little scrunchie. Wasn't too hard or difficult if I wasn't recording or anything. Like 5-10 minutes it could have be completed. So little scrunchies, hair scrunchies, so hopefully she'll like it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.